Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. Just a reminder, we've got the last of our webinars this year happening just next week. So understanding and diagnosing ignition systems. So take a look at the link below and you'll see the dates. So we can go to Tuesday the 22nd of November, and that one's being held at 5:30 p.m. New South Wales time. Or if it suits you better, you can do Wednesday the 23rd, and that's going to be at 8 p.m. New South Wales time. Click the links below to check that out and get a bit more information. But what are we talking about? So Mark Rabone's going to be leading it. He's been working hard on putting the content together, a teacher himself. So we're going to be covering the ignition system itself, the operation, testing and operational differences between, say, a 2-pin, 3-pin, 4-pin ignition coil. We want to make sure that you know about all the tools available, so whether it be these older school mechanical spark testers, which I still think are absolutely great, through to things like scopes or maybe an ignition analyzer. There's plenty of tools out there that you can use making ignition testing an accurate diagnosis. I just had something just last week actually on an LS Commodore, so I'll definitely be bringing up that case study, and that was all to do with erratic spark events happening. So we were getting multiple random spark events happening on the 1 4-stroke combustion cycle, and that all actually came down to the coil electrical circuit as well. So we'll talk about that, and it happens to do with the 4th pin that was on one of these 4-pin coils. So plenty to talk about, guys. Like I said, led by Mark Rabone, but I myself will be there to help with questions and obviously go through a bit of in-depth discussion. So take a look at the link below, and we'd love to see you there for the last webinar this year. Thank you.